This is a short guide on how to set up a client onboarding as navigate to questionnaires and to create a questionnaire. However, I'm going to show you an example of a completed client onboarding process. So let's go into view. I've already had one created called a client onboarding. So you would name your questionnaire client onboarding. Now let's view this. Now this is one that is already completed. So you're always going to start with a section. Now, again, your client onboarding, you can give an unlimited amount of information on, let's say, how to work with you. You can create a pre-recorded video that walks them through your entire process. Maybe it's a quick introduction on the company. However you would like to do it, you can set it up that way. For this example, we recorded a 3-minute video that walks a customer through how the entire order process will work. And so the first section is how to use the portal. And this is the video. And once you have a video, what you can do, you can come in here once you have a video, and then you can hyperlink it and click open it in a new window. So that's really important if you want to link a video to your onboarding. Then we have like a did you watch the video, which is required to make sure that everyone who comes into our portal has watched the client onboarding video. And then we have some additional things, and this is optional. Like you can have a section that say having a successful stress-free order with some information. You can put long answers, short answers. You can tell them, what to do next and how they're going to be working with you. So this is all something that we created for an example purposes, but you can have whatever you like. And then once you build out your client onboarding and separate it into different sections, you're going to go ahead and click publish and submit. Now let's see what this looks like for our customers when they go through the client onboarding. So what we're going to do is, just for a demo purposes, we're going to come in here and let's go ahead and add in an order to Kevin Hart, for example. Okay. All right. So let's go and find a product. So let's go and find this one. I'm just going to put this in Kevin Hart's portal. Okay, now again, Kevin Hart would be getting an email to log into their portal to get started. So let's go ahead and log in as Kevin Hart. All right, so this is what your customers would be going through. They're going to go in here, click view. Now, if you have a contract, your contract will be in here for them to submit. And then once they go through their first client onboarding, after this is added to a workflow module, they can go through it, and it allows them to see exactly what we were filling out in the questionnaire. So they can click on the video, watch the video, and then go through a onboarding process before they get into all their next steps, which is really good to have because it will allow your clients to have a better experience if they know what to expect. And for you to be able to go ahead and add that in, you would come back to the workflows tab once you fill out your client onboarding and you create your process. And then what you would do is you would go to whatever workflow that you would like to add it into. Let's say if it was a resume writing workflow or what have you, and then you would simply just drag in your client onboarding module and then update it to your workflow. And that is how you would set up a client onboarding process. You just need to record a video if you'd like to record a video, or you can just use sections and instructions to give them an idea of what's going to happen next.